Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the next term of given sequence, and the sequence is 15, 33, 75, 177, 435, and we have to find the next term. So we can say that the pattern is 15 multiplied by 2 plus 3. This will give 33. Similarly, if we do 33 multiplied by 2 plus 9, 9 can be written as 3 square. So this will give 75. Similarly, if we write 75 multiplied by 2, that is 150, plus 27, that is 3 cube. This is 177. Similarly, we can write 435 as 177 multiplied by 2 plus 3 to the power 4, that is 81. So if we add this, we'll get 435. So this is the pattern. So following the above pattern, we get the next term as, we can write 435 multiplied by 2 plus 3 to the power, there was 4, so next term will be 3 to the power 5. So this is equal to 870 plus 3 to the power 5 is 243. So this sum will be equal to 1113. So 1113, which is option A. So we can say that the answer is option A.